Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to add a card to Apple Wallet on your iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Adding a card to Apple Wallet requires a stable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. If Wi-Fi isn't available, try using cellular data in an area with strong signal strength. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the card from being added. Next, check your device region and Apple ID region. Apple Pay is only available in certain countries, so if your device or Apple ID is set to a region where Apple Pay isn't supported, you won't be able to add cards. To check your device region, open Settings, go to General, then tap Language and Region. Tap Region and make sure it's set to a country where Apple Pay is available. Now, check your Apple ID region. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. Select Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Tap Country or Region, then choose Change Country or Region, and make sure the correct country is selected. Another thing to check is how many cards you already have in Apple Wallet. Apple limits the number of cards you can add depending on your iPhone model. Older iPhones can store fewer cards, while newer models support more. If you've reached the limit, you'll need to remove one or more cards before adding a new one. To remove a card, open the Wallet app, tap the card you want to delete, tap the three dots, then select Remove Card. After checking your internet connection, region settings, and card limit, try adding the card again. And that's how you fix the unable to add card issue in Apple Wallet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.